Welcome back to Taste the Globe, the channel where we celebrate all International Food Days, one delicious bite at a time. Today, we're cracking open the sweet, crispy world of fortune cookies. July 20th is National Fortune Cookie Day, a quirky celebration of those golden crescent-shaped cookies that hold surprise messages inside. You've probably cracked one open after a Chinese takeout meal, but did you know that fortune cookies aren't actually from China? Surprise! Fortune cookies actually have roots in Japan, and were popularized in California in the early 1900s. Several bakeries, including one in San Francisco and another in Los Angeles, claimed to have invented them. But what's clear is that these cookies became a staple of American Chinese cuisine, and eventually, an icon around the world. Fun facts about fortune cookies. 1. Over 3 billion fortune cookies are made each year. 2. Most of them are still made in the United States. 3. The largest fortune cookie ever made weighed over 1.5 kilograms, 3 pounds. 4. The messages inside are now written by specialized fortune writers. Yes, that's a real job. Feeling inspired? Why not try making your own fortune cookies at home? Whether you want to impress guests or personalize the messages for a party, we've linked 10 fun and flavorful recipes in the description below. Some of our favorites include chocolate-dipped fortune cookies, matcha-flavored ones, and even gluten-free options. If you enjoyed this bite-sized deep dive, crack that like button, drop a comment with your favorite fortune, and subscribe to Taste the Globe, where we celebrate all International Food Days. Don't forget to share this video with your foodie friends and family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content celebrating International Food Days. See you next time, same globe, new flavor.
Hello.